Hello everyone, welcome back. Fauzan here, and I will give you another example for making Doodles block program in the Cyberpi. This is the shape of the circle. If we press A button, and the circle will be drawn automatically. So you can add the colors, and we can add modification like the other program, like it change color or maybe put the labels for the clear screen. Okay, we did it again. Clear the screen. Okay, now this learning about how to make circle at Doodles block program in the Cyberpi, and you can see the coding programs for this project in the last part of the video. Thank you.